What's up, guys? Just wanted to go through this lifter tick issue on the 5.3 AFM engines. I got 187,000 miles out of mine. 2009 GMC Sierra crew cab, 6-speed transmission. But I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Just changed the throttle position sensor because that code got thrown. So right away we get service traction, service stability track. Let's go to the tick. That tick. So obviously it's a cylinder 1, intake side, lifter. You remember there's 8 lifters that are AFM per side, and then 8 regular lifters. I'm going to be doing a full lifter rebuild. Kind of want to delete the AFM, but I don't really have that kind of money right now. So keep you guys posted on my build. God bless.